Hi friends, welcome back to my channel today. In today's video we're going to do trays. I know some of you have been waiting for this. We're going to do a gingerbread tray and we're going to do a Ralph Lauren style tray. So for my gingerbread tray I have a lot of items already, but I did pick up a couple things I wanted to show you. First I picked up this little crock, and this was $5 at the, I guess they call it Bullseye's Playground now. And I thought this would be a nice addition to the tray. And then I also just picked up one of these gingerbread mugs. And these are $5 at Target. I found mine on an end cap. Anyways, this is a cute little style, looks like a gingerbread house. And even though I have a lot of gingerbread decor already, I thought this would be a nice addition. And then I also got this little, there you go. This little tiny gingerbread tree. I thought that was so cute, perfect for a tray. And then I also picked up a couple of these items. I'm not sure if these are butter pats or if they're spoon rests, but I thought these were cute little items and I thought they might go well on the tray too. So as far as the Ralph Lauren style tray goes, this will be a new attempt for me, and I didn't buy anything new for that. I'm going to solely use things that I already have in the house. So we're going to see how that goes today. It's going to be kind of an experiment. So let's go ahead and let's get started and let's start decorating some trays. Today we'll be using my white tray. I really think it makes all the colors with the gingerbread style just pop. So that's what we'll be doing. Unfortunately, it's gray and overcast and just a little bit snowy, so the weather's not going to cooperate with lighting today, so I apologize for that. But I did want to get this video done and out to you. And but anyways, you know, snow is kind of fitting for Christmas, right? So let's go ahead and get started. I've gotten out several things from my bins here, so we're just going to go ahead and start styling. Sometimes it is really a struggle, and you probably noticed that I struggled somewhat with that top piece, just making the pieces fit correctly. I'll show you in a minute what I ended up doing with the back side of that. But it's like a puzzle piece sometimes. It's just a matter of taking your pieces and trial and error and getting them to work in the way that looks nice and works best on the tray. I did add my little sleigh and my little marshmallows to the back part of the top piece here. The great thing about using your timeless pieces year after year, and maybe adding a new one here or there, is you get to create brand new vignettes each time. And I just love reusing the pieces. I mean, like I said, I bought a couple new pieces. You know, you just buy one or two new things to kind of help you along and give you some more inspiration. But once you have collected several items, you know, you can use them year after year and use them in a different way. And it's like they're brand new all over again. All right, well, I think this turned out pretty well. What do you think of this gingerbread styled tray? I've done several over the years now. Some of you have followed me. Let me know what you think of this latest rendition of my gingerbread styled tray. I've gathered several pieces here from my collection that I already have, and we're going to attempt to do Ralph Lauren. So I have this bow that came with the My Texas House ribbon that I bought. I thought it would be nice to use on here, and I'm just using some floral wire to attach it to the top there. Again, when you're doing trays, there's a lot of trial and error. There's a lot of trying to get the right pieces fit in the right, like a puzzle, like I said before, puzzle pieces. And so I'm kind of working on this here. I don't know, I probably maybe could have picked up a couple more pieces for this. But, I'm working with what I have here. Real quickly, I just want to show you, I did just add a couple pieces here to the back, the book and then the other little plaque that I did. And it gives us kind of a layered picture look, somewhat like a wall gallery or, just layered on a table. I'm not entirely happy with the bottom part here. I will probably work with this a little bit and maybe change it up some. This is going to be my last video before the Thanksgiving holiday here in the United States. If you're in the United States, I'm going to wish you a happy Thanksgiving. If you don't celebrate Thanksgiving in the United States or you're somewhere else, I'm going to wish you a very happy week. I will see you in my next video. I will probably do one more video. It will be after the holiday. Have a great week. I'm so glad that you're here to watch my videos. I so appreciate, that's where I put my tray right there. I so appreciate it. Here's a couple more videos for you, and I will see you in the next video. Bye now.